This video was made by Group 2 as part of the requirement for Project 1. The title of this project is Radio Frequency Scanning at UNITEN Putrajaya campus. The frequency range that we looked for was between 2.6 to 2.8 GHz. The first tool that we used for this project was a spectrum analyzer. A spectrum analyzer measures the magnitude of an input signal versus frequency within the full frequency range of the instrument. It is usually carried around in a soft carrying bag. The model of the spectrum analyzer that we used was Spectrum Master MS2711E by Anritsu. The parts of the spectrum analyzer are shown in the following pictures. Feel free to pause the video to check them out. The first picture shows the top part of the spectrum analyzer. The second picture shows the front part of the spectrum analyzer. Next, the second tool that we used for the project was an antenna. An antenna is a specialized transducer that converts electromagnetic waves into electric current or vice versa. To set up the spectrum analyzer, we first hanged the belt of the soft carrying bag on the neck and laid the spectrum analyzer against the stomach. That was for the easy operation of the spectrum analyzer and to ensure that it would not get dropped accidentally. We then attached the antenna to the RF in port and adjusted it to the upright position. The spectrum analyzer was then ready to receive input signals. Before we started scanning signals, we adjusted the settings of the spectrum analyzer so that the input and displayed signals are of satisfactory results. For example, 2.6 GHz start frequency and 2.8 GHz stop frequency. Other settings such as center frequency, reference level and input attenuation were adjusted according to the received signals. Marker was also configured to mark the peak of the signal frequency to provide accurate measurement. We started the project at College of Engineering, COE. We then passed through College of Computing and Informatics, CCI, before reaching Amana Student Apartment. At Amana Student Apartment, we obtained the first scanning result. After that, we headed towards the library building's direction. On the way, we stopped by the BV building and obtained the second scanning result. Lastly, we went to the library buildings where we got the third scanning result before returning to College of Engineering, COE. After obtaining satisfactory scanning result at each location, a screenshot of the scanning result was taken. The screenshot was then saved into a USB flash drive that was connected to the USB interface at the top part of the spectrum analyzer. The screenshots of the scanning results are shown in the following pictures. The first picture shows the screenshot of the scanning result at Amana Student Apartment. The highest signal frequency is marked at 2.624 GHz with a magnitude of -55.68 dBm. The second picture shows the screenshot of the scanning result at BV building. The highest signal frequency is marked at 2.622 GHz with a magnitude of -60.92 dBm. The third picture shows the screenshot of the scanning result at library buildings. The highest signal frequency is marked at 2.672 GHz with a magnitude of -58.58 dBm. Therefore, the project was successfully conducted. Nonetheless, we encountered some limitation and problems during the project. The limitation was the sensitivity of the antenna. Weak signals were hard to be obtained. Due to this limitation, we had to do multiple scanning at multiple locations to obtain satisfactory results. Besides, we had some technical problems while trying to use the spectrum analyzer, such as display settings of the spectrum analyzer and difficulties taking screenshots of scanning results. However, with the consultations of the lecturer and course mates, we successfully overcame the technical problems. This project was conducted by referring to the Spectrum Plan 2022 developed by Malaysian Communications and Multimedia Commission, MCMC. The specifications and operations of the spectrum analyzer were referred to the Spectrum Master MS2711E user guide provided by Anritsu. That's all from Group 2. Thanks for watching.